This is NOAA, Weather Radio WNG 728 Hot Point, Missouri, broadcasting on 162.425 megahertz. This program... The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 711, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Missouri, Audrain, Franklin, Gasconade, Lincoln, Montgomery, Pike, St. Charles, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 711 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Audrain, Franklin, Gasconade, Lincoln, Montgomery, Pike, St. Charles, and Warren. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Audrain County, Eastern Callaway County, Central Osage County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Holt Summit, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Osage City, Bell, Fulton, and New Bloomfield. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and then move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and east central Missouri. This is NOAA, Weather Radio WNG 728 Hot Point, Missouri, broadcasting on 162.425 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves parts of central and east central Missouri.